How to become a tattoo artist in Phoenix, Arizona. Your ultimate guide. Welcome to the world of tattoo artistry. If you're in Phoenix, Arizona and itching to become a tattoo artist, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this colorful journey together. Do you need a license to tattoo in Phoenix? Surprisingly, Arizona doesn't require a state-issued license to practice tattooing. This means there's no official certification process at the state level. However, before you start inking your neighbors, it's crucial to note local regulations. While the state might not have strict rules, Phoenix and Maricopa County may have additional regulations. Professionalism matters. Just because the state doesn't require licensing doesn't mean training and certification aren't important. Proper training keeps both you and your clients safe. Health and safety standards. Understanding sterilization and hygiene is critical to avoid infections. Can you learn tattooing on your own? Short answer, no. You need hands-on experience. Tattooing is more than just drawing on skin. The way ink interacts with skin is entirely different from paper or digital art. There's no undo button. A shaky line or poor shading will stay on someone's skin forever. Safety first. Bloodborne pathogens, cross-contamination, and infection risks are real dangers if you don't know proper sterilization methods. That's why apprenticeships exist. Learning from a professional tattoo artist ensures that you master the skills properly. How do you build a strong tattoo portfolio in Phoenix? Your portfolio is your golden ticket into the tattoo industry. If you want to land a solid apprenticeship, your portfolio needs to show that you're serious about tattooing. What should you include in your portfolio? Tattoo-ready drawings, a variety of styles that show your skills. Keep it organized, arrange your work neatly and logically. Your portfolio should reflect your best work, not just random sketches. What makes a good tattoo artist? Attention to detail. Tattooing requires precision. A steady hand and strong focus are crucial. Patience. Rushing a design leads to mistakes. Strong work ethic. You'll need to dedicate hours to practicing, even when you're not working on clients. Great communication skills. Clients come in with all kinds of ideas, some good, some questionable. A good tattoo artist advises clients on what will work best. Commitment to cleanliness. Hygiene isn't optional. Proper sterilization techniques keep both you and your clients safe. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today.